Yeah, did you see the moon last night?
Nah, I was asleep.
Oh yeah, well it was real big. Fuck my tail itches. Can't get these fleas out.
Oh, that sucks, mate.
Oh shit. Think I'm allergic to something.
Yeah, you scared the shit out of me.
Oh yeah, sorry about that.